Buyer demand for smart homes is surging. 81% of new home buyers said they would be more likely to buy a home with smart technology. Smart home technology is now an industry standard. Among smart home technology, homeowners rank smart lighting within the top 3 applications. But smart lighting is hard for builders to integrate into their developments, and the sheer amount of switches in one home makes it extremely expensive. Deako invented the modular light switch to help new home builders. This is how it works. The backplate installs into a standard junction box, just like a normal light switch. No special wiring or custom installer is required. Any electrician can install the inexpensive simple switch at the trim stage of the build. They simply install the Deako backplate instead of wiring a regular light switch. Then they click in the simple switch, place the faceplate on it, and that's it. The Deako simple switch functions like a normal light switch and has no smart capabilities. On average, 51% of homebuyers select a Deako Smart package as an upgrade. This is how your smart lighting investment will pay for itself. Upgrading is as easy as popping out a simple switch and inserting a smart switch. And it works with Amazon Alexa or Google Home.
Okay, Google, turn on Welcome Home.
Okay.
Deako is the only smart lighting system that offers builders flexibility with their lighting decisions. We give you the option to sell homes with smart lighting without you having to pay for it.